Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the primepicks channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the best MacBook available so far, MacBook Air 15-inch, and why MacBook Air 15 is the best MacBook for most people. In this video, we'll delve into the reasons why the 15-inch MacBook Air is the best MacBook for you. Let's compare the MacBook Air 15 and MacBook Air 13 M2 first. The 15-inch MacBook Air is heavier and more expensive than the 13-inch model. The 15-inch MacBook Air weighs 3.3 pounds, while the 13-inch MacBook Air weighs 2.7 pounds. The 15-inch MacBook Air also starts at $1,299, while the 13-inch MacBook Air starts at $1,099. The number of ports are the same as in the MacBook Air 13 M2. Two USB-C ports are available on the MacBook Air along with a MagSafe port for charging purposes. On the other side, you can find a 3.5 headphone jack with support for high-impedance headphones. A key advantage of a larger MacBook Air is an expanded display, measuring 15.3 inches diagonally. This increase in screen size would provide users with a more immersive visual experience, ideal for content creators, designers, and those who crave a larger canvas for multitasking. With a higher resolution and enhanced color accuracy, the MacBook Air 15 offers a breathtaking viewing experience for media consumption, creative work, and productivity. The 15-inch MacBook Air strikes an ideal balance between portability and a generous display size. With its sleek and lightweight design, it is highly portable, making it a great choice for users who are always on the move. Apple is renowned for its exceptional keyboard and trackpad experiences. The MacBook Air 15 features an improved Magic Keyboard, providing a comfortable typing experience with responsive keys and enhanced stability. Additionally, the MacBook Air 15 offering a spacious and precise trackpad, making navigation and gesture control a breeze. Under the hood, the 15-inch MacBook Air packs a punch with its powerful hardware configuration. Equipped with an advanced M2 processor with a 10-core GPU and fast RAM, it delivers smooth multitasking capabilities and handles resource-intensive tasks with ease. Whether you're editing videos, working with graphics-intensive applications, or running virtual machines, the 15-inch MacBook Air ensures that your productivity remains unhindered. It's worth noting that the M2-powered MacBook Air 15 utilizes a fanless design. This means it doesn't have a dedicated cooling fan like some other MacBook models. Instead, it relies on passive cooling mechanisms, such as heat sinks and natural airflow, to dissipate heat. Apple has engineered the MacBook Air with the M2 chip to operate within safe temperature ranges under typical usage scenarios. If you're looking for a MacBook that can handle intensive tasks with ease, the MacBook Pro would be a better choice. The MacBook Pro is specifically designed for professionals and power users who require exceptional performance and capabilities. One of the standout features of the 15-inch MacBook Air is its impressive battery life. Thanks to Apple's efficient hardware and software integration, this MacBook can provide all-day battery life, allowing you to work, stream, and create without constantly worrying about finding a power outlet. This is particularly beneficial for users who require long-lasting performance during travel or work on the go. The 15-inch MacBook Air can last up to 18 hours on a single charge. The 15-inch MacBook Air excels in providing a seamless and intuitive user experience. It features Apple's innovative Touch ID fingerprint sensor, enabling quick and secure authentication for unlocking your MacBook and making secure online purchases. Additionally, the macOS operating system offers a range of productivity-enhancing features and seamless integration with other Apple devices, such as iPhones and iPads, further enriching the overall user experience. Here are some additional reasons why the 15-inch MacBook Air is the best MacBook. It's perfect for creative professionals. The large display is great for editing photos and videos, and the powerful M2 chip can handle even the most demanding tasks. It's a great all-around laptop. The 15-inch MacBook Air is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a powerful and portable laptop. It's built to last. The 15-inch MacBook Air is made from high-quality materials and is designed to withstand everyday use. So, let's recap. Reasons to buy: larger 15.3-inch display, amazing battery life, portable, silent. Reasons to skip: CPU throttling during intensive workflows, overheating. Base model comes only with 8 gigs of RAM. If you're looking for the best MacBook, the the 15-inch MacBook Air is the clear choice. It's the perfect combination of power, portability, and features. If your daily work is low or medium intensity, MacBook Air 15 is the perfect choice for you. If you're a heavy user, consider a 14-inch or 16-inch MacBook Pro, which is a better choice for intensive workflows. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. See you in the next one.